Welcome to the world of endless possibilities. Imagine yourself sitting by the shore, sipping on a cappuccino, and enjoying the breathtaking waves crashing against the beach. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Well, guess what? The world has slowly started embracing the digital nomad lifestyle, and it's time for you to jump on this bandwagon. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the perks of living life on your own terms. So stick around and let me show you how to become a digital nomad. It all begins with discovering your path to nomadic freedom. Take a moment to assess your skills and career options. Are you a talented writer, a creative designer, a video editor, or a tech-savvy professional? Fantastic. You're already halfway there. And if you're new to the whole online money-making scene, don't worry. I've got your back. Start by choosing the right work setup that aligns with your goals. You can either ask your employer to switch your job to a remote one, work as a virtual assistant part-time, or even start your own online business once you've acquired a marketable skill set. The choice is yours, but make sure to consider the pros and cons of each option before diving in. Your preferences and financial stability should play a significant role in choosing the digital nomad lifestyle. Now let's talk about building a stable foundation for your nomadic life. I know you're eager to pack your bags, leave your 9-5 behind, and jet off to those beautiful beaches in Thailand, or explore the picturesque beauty of Split in Croatia. But before you do that, having a reliable income stream is crucial. You don't want to find yourself stranded with an empty wallet halfway through your dream lifestyle, right? So, whether it's securing remote employment, building a client base as a freelancer, or creating passive income streams through online businesses or investments, make sure you have a financial cushion to support your journey. Next up, let's talk money-saving superhero tips. Minimizing expenses and saving money is key to funding your adventures. Cut down on unnecessary costs, create a budget, and save a portion of your income. Put on your money-saving cape and unleash your creativity. Instead of fancy coffee shop visits and dining out every night, channel your inner chef and whip up delicious meals at home. When it comes to entertainment, think outside the box. Host game nights with friends, organize movie marathons, or explore free community events. Remember, fun doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. Creating a travel budget that fuels your nomadic dreams is essential. Map out your expenses, from accommodation and transportation to food and entertainment. Give each category a fun color and watch your travel budget come to life. Now, let's dive into the thrilling world of destination planning and ignite your wanderlust. It's time to find your own slice of paradise. Consider factors like the cost of living, safety, and vibrant communities. Explore popular hubs such as the sandy beaches of Thailand, the cultural oasis of Bali, or the captivating landscapes of Portugal. The world is your playground, waiting to be explored. But wait, don't forget about the internet. A shaky internet connection is the digital nomad's arch nemesis. Look for areas known for their reliable connections, and steer clear of places where Wi-Fi signals play hide-and-seek like mischievous gremlins. Reliable connectivity is a must for any digital nomad. Enter the mighty portable Wi-Fi device. With this magical gadget, you become the superhero of internet connectivity. Whether you're sipping coconuts on a remote beach or hiking through the mountains, this trusty sidekick ensures you stay connected, saving you from Wi-Fi despair. Just remember to charge it, or your superhero status might diminish quickly. And when all else fails, it's time to suit up and join the digital nomad Avengers, the co-working spaces. These shared workspaces are a haven for digital nomads, offering a professional environment and a community of like-minded individuals. Plus, they often have reliable internet connections that will keep your productivity on track. As you embark on this thrilling adventure, navigating the legal and logistical considerations is essential. Understand visa requirements, length of stay limitations, and tax obligations in both your home country and the places you plan to visit. Seek professional advice and reliable resources to ensure compliance with local laws. With the right preparation, you can confidently explore the world while staying on the right side of the law. Now let's talk about embracing the minimalist lifestyle. Imagine standing at the airport, unburdened by excessive luggage, while others struggle with heavy suitcases. That's the power of minimalism. By optimizing your belongings and traveling light, you'll experience true freedom of movement and make transitioning between locations a breeze. Minimalism is the guiding principle that unlocks the true essence of the digital nomad lifestyle. Freedom, simplicity, and a world waiting to be explored. And finally, let's talk about balancing work and adventure. Finding that perfect equilibrium between work and leisure is the secret sauce to a fulfilling nomadic lifestyle. Create a routine that blends work and play seamlessly. Allocate specific time blocks for work. Tackle your tasks with focus, and leave room for exploration, self-care, and personal growth. Maybe start your day with a morning yoga session by the beach, or take an afternoon hike to discover hidden waterfalls. The choice is yours. Congratulations! You've discovered the roadmap to becoming a digital nomad, where work and adventure intertwine harmoniously. So, take that leap of faith, seize the opportunities that lie ahead, and embark on the journey of a lifetime. Embrace the freedom, unleash your potential, and become a digital nomad. The world is waiting for you. But before we go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with other aspiring digital nomads. Let me know in the comments what you think of this guide, and if there's anything I might have missed. I promise to cover those points in upcoming videos. Don't forget to press the bell button to stay updated with more exciting and informative videos on your journey to becoming a digital nomad. Remember, adventure awaits those who are brave enough to pursue it. Safe travels!